and growth. It provides fuel to business to expand, create jobs, and contribute to overall development of society. As a part of federal government, we are committed to fostering an environment that nurtures and sustains this growth. In this era of rapid change, the resilience of our capital market becomes even more critical. It acts as a stabilizing force, absorbing shocks and steering our economy towards stability. We must continue to embrace innovation, enhance regulatory framework, and ensure transparency to fortify the foundation on which our capital market stands. The gong we sound today echoes not only these walls, but the financial corridor of our nation. It signals our commitment to fostering an inclusive and robust financial ecosystem, one that welcomes diverse voices and ensures that the benefits of economic prosperity are shared by all. As we celebrate this ceremony, let us reflect the journey that brought us here, and we look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead. Today, let us continue to build a capital market that not only reflects the strengths of our economy, but also embodies the values of fairness, integrity, and sustainability. Thank you, and may the resonance of this gong reverberate through the prosperity of our capital market and the well-being of our nation. I thank you all.